welcome to Big John's Thoughts on the Market for December 2016. As the November numbers come in, we see that there is still a buyer market sentiment out there. We're seeing that the real estate market is continuing to slow down, and that's in direct relationship to the slowdown in the economic climate in Alberta. But remember, there's always opportunities. Right now we're seeing that prices are coming down, interest rates are still very, very low, and we're seeing that people are finding ways of taking advantage of these opportunities. How are they doing it? They are looking at buying that first property instead of paying those high rental rates that are out there. Many people are finding that they can buy a property now, and with the lower interest rates, their monthly costs are less than it would be to rent. We're seeing people look at investment real estate as an opportunity, and we're also seeing a lot of people move up. What they're doing is selling their existing home, moving to a more expensive home because the money is very, very cheap to borrow, and they're also seeing that the difference between their existing home and the more expensive home in terms of real dollars, that difference has narrowed significantly. So right now they're finding it a great time to look to move up. Let's take a look at some of the numbers that we saw from November. So first of all, absorption rates. You all know that I really like tracking these absorption rates. We're seeing that throughout the city of Calgary, it's about 4.5 months worth of supply in the market. But again, look at the three distinct marketplaces. Single family homes are still at about 3.3 months worth of supply. That stayed stable over the last month or so. Attached homes, they've inched up a bit to just under 5 months worth of supply, about 4.8 months worth of supply. That's a little bit higher than it was a month ago. And then in apartments, this is where you're seeing the big jump. Almost 7 months worth of supply in the market. Again, why is that? Well, when you're building big apartment buildings, you can't react with new projects the same way you can in single family homes. So many of the projects coming on stream right now are projects that were planned and started a number of years ago. So again, with 7 months worth of supply, might start to be some great opportunities of buying into these apartments, maybe for that first-time home buyer, rental property, or if you're going to be looking to downsize, might be some great opportunities there because there's going to be some definite downward pressure on apartment pricing. The sales to new listing ratio, we're seeing about 0.58 sales occurring for every new listing coming into the market. So again, not too bad, a little lower than we'd like, but again, single family, we're seeing it at 0.67 sales for every new listing coming in, so that number is okay. We're seeing that the attached is 0.53, so again, lower than we'd like, and with apartments at 0.4 sales for every new listing, that number again is sort of in correlation with the absorption rate, and that number is definitely on the low side in terms of the number of sales we're seeing. Total sales this November versus last November down about 23%. Again, no real surprise there. New listings, the number of new listings coming onto the market up about 5%, and the total inventory out there is up about 24%. So you're seeing total inventory up 24%, sales down about 23%. But again, remember, single family not looking too bad, especially in the lower price ranges. Where we're really seeing some pressure start to mount is in that apartment building, apartment condo type of a product. We also want to take a minute to wish all of you a very Merry Christmas. Our team has really enjoyed working with all of you, answering your questions, helping everyone through these challenging times. You can be assured that we are constantly educating ourselves, retooling ourselves to meet and exceed your expectations. We, as a team, want to wish you a very Merry Christmas and a happy and prosperous new year for 2016. And remember, if you have any real estate questions, just want to get some information, want to get some neighborhood information, we're here for you. Take care and have a great day.